Great tips for SEO success. SEO is one of the most common forms of internet design that is used today. Businesses use SEOs to attract visitors to their sites. All SEOs are certain keywords that you use when creating your website that web crawlers attach to. These web crawlers in turn bring your site up in search engines. Creating SEO success takes a few steps. 1. Keyword rich. Make sure your article is related keyword rich. Make sure this carries throughout your whole site. The more keyword rich your site is, the more places the web crawlers can attach to. These web crawlers, or bots, determine where in the ranks of your search engine your site will be found. You must be sure that you do not overdo it though. Number 2, the title. Make sure your title is clear to understand and also keyword rich. The title is one of the most important aspects of creating your SEO site. Your title is the first thing any visitor to your site will see. Without a proper title, everything else you do from that point on is pointless. When you are creating your title, consider adding your top keywords. The ones that stand out the most to you will stand out to the visitor. Number 3, the content. Make sure the content of your site is relevant to your business. If you are creating a website, let's say about cutting hair at home, you need to be sure that you add hair cutting tips in your site. If you fail to do this, you will turn away your customer. The more relevant content you have on your site, the bigger chance your customer will not reject your site. Number 4, long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are usually 3 to 4 words in length. They are also the most searched words by most web searchers. The more creative your long tail keywords, the more chance of your site being ranked higher in the search engine. Number 5, links. Make sure your links are of high quality. This will help produce the most visitors to your site. Number 6, easy to navigate. If your site is hard to navigate, the visitor will not stay. The more user-friendly you make your site, the better off you will be. Create sections in your website. These sections can then be implemented into new pages, which makes it easier for the visitor to browse your site. Number 7, education. SEOs are changing every day. Things are being added and others are being removed. Continuing your education in SEO will give you the updated information you will need to make the necessary changes to your site. The importance of continued education on SEO cannot be stressed enough. The more you learn and implement, the more visitors you will have.